Hi, today I thought we would learn to play some Spanish flamenco guitar, and we'll use a special scale in that called A harmonic minor. Here we go. We're going to play big thick string, open, first space, fourth space, next string open, second space, third space, next string, second space, third space, next string, first space, second space, next string open, first space, third space, next string, first space, fourth space, fifth space. So let's go through that again. Big thick string, 0, 1, 4, next string 0, 2, 3, next string 0, 2, 3, next string 1, 2, next string 0, 1, 3, next string 0, 1, 4, 5. So I'll play some chords, and then Andy, the other Andy, will show you how to solo using that scale. Here we go. Chords are just an E, and you move that E shape up one space, so it's E, move it up, and it's a sort of F chord, but with an E in the bass and the top. Okay, it's your turn. What we're going to do now is play any of those notes in any order we like, and it'll sound fantastic. We can even just extend the notes and play it just on the first string if we want to. So 0, 1, 4, 5. That's where we ended on the first string before, but we can go further. 7, 8, 10, and 12. Here we go. 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, what we're going to do is play a rhythm, and you can do a flamenco guitar solo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic.